Hello students, how are you and how's your study going on? I hope that you all will be fine staying home and doing your study at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today we are going to discuss the summary of our third poem of book Hornbill. The name of the poem is The Voice of a Rain. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. The Voice of the Rain is written by Walt Whitman. Firstly, the introduction of the poem. It is the very easiest and shortest poem in your syllabus. The poem, The Voice of the Rain, is written by Walt Whitman. It is a conversation between the poet and the rain. And the rain explains its eternal journey. Eternal means never ending. In its birthplace, from earth to the poet. On earth to the poet, you could also say. Summary. In the poem, the poet asks the soft falling shower that, "Who are you?" To which she replies that she is the poem of the earth. It means poet asks from the soft falling rain that who is she, and it is very great surprise for the poet also that the rain has given. It is a strange thing for the poet that the rain to reply to the poet, that rain has given the reply to the poet, that what reply she has given, that she is the poem of the earth. The rain told the poet that she can't be touched as she rises in the form of water vapor in the sky from the land. Whenever she originates, she rises in the form of a water vapor from the land. That's why water vapor couldn't be touched. And the bottomless sea, the water from earth and from sea usually got evaporated and got the form of clouds in the sky. It changes its shape, yet it remains the same. It means number of water droplets, water vapor collect together and their shape will change, but the quality they are having or the thing they are having will remain same. The vapor changes into clouds due to condensation. Condensation means cooling down. It falls back on the surface of the earth to provide water to the drought prone areas and to beautify and to purify the earth, its birthplace of the rain. Now, it provides life to the seeds inside the earth and helps them grow. Some seeds are grown by human beings, but some hidden seeds are sprouted due to rain, and this rain helps them to grow. Like roadside, sometimes we saw. The rain doesn't care if anyone bothers about her deeds or not. She completes her work and comes back home. It means she doesn't mean that the person is doing something for her or not. The poet also compares the rain with a song as they both share a common journey. The song originates from the heart of the singer and travels across to fulfill the aim and comes back with due love for the singer. Its originator, same as it is, earth originate from the heart of the rain originate from the heart of the earth, and it also travel across, fulfill the aim in the form of a cloud, then it also again in the form of shower fell down on the earth back to its originator. Here the words of vocabulary are condensation, the conversion of a vapor or gas to a liquid, and eternal mean lasting or existing forever without end. I hope students you got the summary of this poem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.